Welcome everyone to our latest tutorial on how to check your region on X, also known as Twitter. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to easily find out your region on the X app. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile. Next, tap on the Profile option. This will lead you to your profile settings. Then tap on Edit Profile to make changes to your profile information. Now, look for the Location option and tap on it. Here, you will be able to see your current region or location that is associated with your X account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your region on X. It's important to keep your profile information up to date for a better user experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video on X tips and tricks. See you next time.